Stand by.
Hi guys, this is my Jericho 941F 9mm pistol. This is to show you that there was no modification done on this pistol. So I have this CC 27 rounder extended magazine. We're going to use this at NBP firing range. Join me to see if I can imitate the firing of a machine gun using this semi-automatic pistol without modification, using only the speed of my trigger finger. Guys, nandito po tayo sa NBP firing range, Muntinlupa. Wow! That was 27 rounds in 3 seconds. That means 9 rounds per second. Great. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Kung kayo po ay hindi pa subscriber ng Rolly Marasigan Reyes, paki-click lang po yung subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much.